Welcome to tax season. What to know before you file. Monday marks the first day that the IRS will start accepting and processing 2024 income tax returns. So whether you're in a rush to get your refund or just wondering how long you can postpone sending your return in, here's what you need to know and some tips to make doing your taxes a little easier. Be clear on your filing deadline. The official IRS filing and payment deadline this year is April 15th, unless you live in a federally declared disaster area. For residents and businesses in such areas, the IRS typically grants extensions for both filing and paying income taxes, plus any other federal tax obligations you may have in a given period. Specific relief notices by disaster area can be found here on the IRS website. For example, the IRS pushed the tax filing and payment deadlines to October 15th for those in counties affected by the Los Angeles area wildfires. Can't or don't want to file by April 15th? That is okay so long as you apply for an automatic 6-month extension by that date. That kind of extension, however, is simply an extension to file your 2024 return, but not an extension to pay what you owe. If you owe any money to the IRS for tax year 2024, April 15th is still your payment deadline. Figure out if you can file for free. The IRS Direct File program, which lets eligible taxpayers file their taxes directly with the IRS for free, is now available in 25 states, up from 12 last year when the agency piloted the program. The states are Alaska, Arizona, California, Connecticut, Florida, Idaho, Illinois, Kansas, Maine, Maryland, Massachusetts, Nevada, New Jersey, New Hampshire, New Mexico, New York, North Carolina, Oregon, Pennsylvania, South Dakota, Tennessee, Texas, Washington State, Wisconsin, and Wyoming. In addition, the IRS is partnering with certain private sector tax preparation software firms that will let you file for free if you qualify. Generally speaking, it is only for filers whose adjusted gross income is $84,000 or less. Beyond that, each of the private sector partners has its own eligibility criteria based on factors such as age, income, and state residency, but all offer active duty military personnel with an AGI of $84,000 or less in 2024 free tax preparation and filing using IRS Free File according to the IRS. Review your 2023 income tax return. Your prior year return will give you a good starting point for figuring out what documents you need to have handy to fill out your 2024 return, said Tom O'Sabin, Director of Tax Content and Government Relations at the National Association of Tax Professionals. List big changes that happened in 2024. Got married or divorced? Had a baby? Started a side gig for more income? Sold a home or other big investment? Started receiving Social Security or inherited IRA payments? Lost a job and collected unemployment benefits? Big life transitions and income changes may have a direct effect on your tax liability, including the tax breaks you can take and the size of your refund, or the amount of additional tax you will owe. Gather all your 2024 tax documents. While you may receive paper versions of 2024 tax documents, others may only be delivered electronically. So check your mailbox, your email, and your relevant online accounts to ensure you have received all the W-2s, 1099s, donation receipts, and any other income tax information forms you will need from your banks, brokerages, employers, favorite charities, etc.